Why were federal courts established in the United States? Imagine a nation where disputes between states could escalate into conflicts, where individuals lacked a fair avenue for justice, and where the interpretation of laws varied widely from one region to another. This was the reality faced by the early United States, which highlighted the urgent need for a unified judicial system. The establishment of federal courts in the United States was a pivotal moment in the nation's history, driven by the desire for a consistent legal framework. The United States Constitution, ratified in 1788, laid the groundwork for this judicial system. Article 3 of the Constitution specifically outlines the judicial power of the United States, establishing the Supreme Court and allowing Congress to create lower federal courts as necessary. One of the primary reasons for the creation of federal courts was to address the limitations of the Articles of Confederation, the nation's first governing document. Under the Articles, there was no national judiciary, which meant that states operated independently, often leading to conflicting laws and decisions. This lack of a central authority created confusion and hindered the resolution of legal disputes that crossed state lines. Federal courts were also established to ensure that federal laws were interpreted and applied uniformly across the country. This was particularly important for maintaining the rule of law and protecting the rights of citizens. By having a federal judiciary, individuals could appeal to a higher court when they believed their rights were being infringed upon by state laws or actions. Moreover, federal courts play a crucial role in interpreting the Constitution itself. They serve as guardians of the Constitution, ensuring that laws passed by Congress and actions taken by the executive branch align with constitutional principles. This function is vital for maintaining the balance of power among the branches of government and safeguarding individual liberties. In addition, federal courts were designed to handle specific types of cases that involved federal laws, treaties, and disputes between states. This specialization allows for a more expert and consistent approach to complex legal issues that may not be adequately addressed at the state level. In summary, the establishment of federal courts in the United States was a necessary step toward creating a cohesive legal system that promotes justice, protects individual rights, and ensures the uniform application of laws across the nation.